Hey everyone, this is Rohit Kumar and let's start today's video. So in this video we are going to design this plastic part. This is an important video because someone had requested me for making this video and she also gave me the blueprint for this. Let me show you the blueprint. Here is the blueprint. Now I'm going to use this three parts, this model as a reference image or as a blueprint. So we will work as per the drawing. This is the main drawing on which we have to work. Let me show you. So here first we have to create this part. Now here is a curvature. We have to understand that here is a curvature and we have to make this part like this, and this is the complete hollow part with a thickness of around 1 mm. Here you see. Now all the measurements given here are in mm because this is the exam paper. Here you can see that create a solid model in NX according to this drawing. This drawing is for NX, but we are going to create this thing in SolidWorks. So let's start today's video. Come here, finish this one. Let's open a new page and let's set our dimension. As you know that we have to create mmgs, we have to work on mmgs, millimeter, gram and second. So here you have to select this one. Now come to the front plane because we have to do this. Now when you will open the drawing, here you can see the distance from this point to this point is 25 mm. So we have to make this one as 25 mm, right? But here's also a arc of radius 5 mm. So we have, so it's a radius. So we also have to add this one. 25 plus 5 is equal to 30. We will take as 30. So now first create center line like this. Simply create center line and then come here from any side. On any side, make a line exactly. Make sure that your line is straight from this point. If you not, then you have to make a relation. Now the height is around, come here. Now, the height is around 10 mm. We have to take a height of 10 mm, right? So make this one 10 mm, right? And come to the drawing. The distance from this line to this line is how much? It is 30 mm. Here, 25 plus 5 is equal to 30. So let's make this one 30. Select this one and make this one 30. Now, what you have to do? You have to copy this one over here because first we will create a cylindrical part, then after this we will cut this one. So go to mirror entities, select this one, mirror about. You have to select the middle line. Now here you see this get mirrored. Now we have to make the arc. Come on the top. The radius of the upper arc is 60 mm and the radius of the lower arc is 160 mm. So let's do it. Come here and select 3-point arc. We have to select 3-point arc. 3-point arc is more suitable. Simply select, start from here and end at here. Also on this side do the same. Now here our arc is ready. We just need to define the dimension. So the radius of this arc is 60. Let me check, something is wrong. Let's delete this one and let's make the relation first. Select this point. By clicking shift, select this point and make the relation, make horizontal. Now here it's fine. Let's make this one 60. So make this one 60. Now here you see, and the radius of this arc is 160 mm as per drawing. It's a 160 and it's 60. Let me check. It's 60 and it's 160. Now everything is done. Now what we need to do, take another construction line or center line. Make a line that completely covers this two arc, something like bigger than this arc, and go to trim. It is this point. This command is used to trim the part that you don't need. Simply trim this one. Now we have half of the drawing. Now we have to make a cylindrical part. So go to feature, go to select revolved wash base, and here it will ask something. So you have to click on yes. So now when you will click on yes, select this center arc. Now here you see this is a cylindrical body. Now this is exactly what we need. Now the main part is ready. Now we need to cut some part. We have to eliminate this part, this section. So how? Here are three points. Can you see at equal distance? So we have to create equal angles. So though a circle have 360-degree angle, so we have to make the three parts of 360 degrees, so it's 120, right? So come here, go to the top plane. Here top plane come exactly in the middle of it. Top plane and make a sketch. Now you have to make center line. Make center line like this. Again one more center line like this. Now make a relation. So make relation and make both the things equal, both the line equal. So when we will give dimension to one line, the other line will automatically take the dimension equal to the other line. So go to smart dimension, this time give dimension how much we need, 25. Let me see, it's 25. Yeah, it's 25, and then after this we will make the circle. It's 25, exactly what we need. Now give the dimension angle. Go to smart dimension, select this line and select this line and make this one 180. This is exactly what we need. Not 180, 120. Yeah, 120. Right? Again come here, make a circle here. Now it will automatically take 10 mm diameter circle. Let me show you. Here you see. Wrong. Make this one 25. 25. Now make this one 10. Now here you see. Both the corners touch each other. Make this one 10 too. So the radius of this thing is 5 mm automatically, because we all know that radius is the half of diameter. So this thing is done. Now what we need to do, we need to select this circle and make this circle as entities. Convert this thing into entity. Now here you see. Uh, what we need to do? Okay, go to normal 2. Now we need to do one more thing. We need to make one more card that starts from this arc and inside this arc, and the radius of the arc is 100. Now here why this thing is given as 3 into 100, because we need 3 arcs. 1 2 3, 1 2 3. So we need 3 arcs. So simply come here and again select 3-point arc, start from here and end here and take it downward. Okay, now what we need to do, select this arc, select this circle and make it tangent. Now here you see, this is the symbol of tangent. Again do the same with this thing also, with here this circle also, make this one tangent to. Now we need to give radius to this arc. How much? Yeah, how much we need to give? 100. Simply make this one 100. Now here you see, this thing is done. Come here, we need to trim some extra additional parts. Simply trim this thing, also trim this thing also. Now here you see, this is exactly what we need. Go to feature, go to extruded cut, because we need to cut this thing. Now it is going in only in one direction and we need to cut this thing completely, this part completely. So how? In option section you have to go and select mid through all both, means in both the direction. Now here you see, this yellow part shows that how much area or how much part it's going to cut. I already had told you in my previous videos. So simply make this one okay. Now here you see, this section is cut. Now we need three section of this part. Okay, so go to in feature section, in linear pattern you will get a circular pattern. You have to click on circular pattern. Now it will ask you for feature and faces. This is the feature, so simply click this one feature and go direction. This is the circular one, so we need to select this direction. Now here you see why this thing is showing, because I already had given the command as free. Here you see, you can make you can put any number you want, but we need just 3 and make this one okay. Now here you see, this is the part. Now what we need to do, now here you see, uh let me check, yeah, here the radius of this corner is 2 mm, right? The radius of this corner is 2 mm, so we need to make a fillet. Simply select this corner, it's selected on every corner. Now give radius 2. Now here you see, and simply make this one open. Now here you see, it's done. So now what we need to do? We need to make the lower part, but before that we need to make this lower part, but before doing that we need to make this section also here. So how? Come here, select top plane, because top plane is in the middle of it. Make a sketch. Now here you see, come here, make a circle. What the radius of circle given? Let me check. Uh, yeah, it's 15 mm. The diameter of the outer circle, the circle diameter is 15 mm, right? So simply go to smart dimension and make this one 15. 15. Go to feature, go to extruded cut. This time not through all, both, just select through all and change the direction because we need to cut this thing in upward direction, and simply make this one okay. Now here you see. Now come here. Here you see the radius of this fillet is also given, which is 1.5 and 1.5. This one is also 1.5 and this one is also 1.5. Later on we will make this thing a hollow with a thickness of 1 mm with the help of cell command, but let first make the fillet. So simply go to fillet command, make this one 1.5. No need to make 2 mm. Simply select 1.5 and come in the middle of it. You can also select one by one, but selecting this one can make impact on both the edge. So simply when you will select here, it will select both the edge and make this one okay. Now here you see this part is done. Now what we need to do? What we need to do, simply come here. In feature section there is an option called cell command. Okay, select cell and give the thickness 1. Why 1? Because here you see the thickness is 1 mm, so you have to give 1 mm and show preview. Now here you see. Now what? You have to select a face that you are going to cut. Now here we have selected the lower face, not the upper one. Okay, and make this one okay. Now here you see this yellow part shows that how much area it is going to cut. I already had told you, and simply make this one okay. Now here you see this is the hollow part. This is exactly what we need as per our drawing. Now come here. We need to make a hole here also with a diameter of 4 mm. Why 4 mm? Come down here, you see there's a hole, there's a complete hole. But when we will create the lower body, it will automatically show you that how much area we need, right? Here you see the diameter of this hole is 4 mm. Here you see 4 mm. Go to smart dimension, make this one 4 mm. Make this one 4. Go to feature section. This time go to extruded cut, and it will simply cut the whole section. Simply cut this part and make this one okay. Now here you see it's done. Now what we need to do? We need to make this lower part exactly in the middle of it. So how? This is the plastic part which is not transparent, so this thing is covered. Let me show you how you can do this. Here is a display style. You have to go on display style and you have to click the fourth one, hidden line visible. Now here you see. Now when you will go to the front plane, you can also select front plane or right plane. It will work on both the planes. So simply select front plane. Let me select right plane. Right plane is more suitable. Select right plane. Now here you see right plane is more suitable. You have to select the right plane because when you will select front plane, then it will become so messy. So how? Go and select line. Make a line like this. Make a profile like this, like this, like this, and like this too. Now we need to make a construction line because we are going to revolve this thing. We need a cylindrical part. Simply make a construction line. Now this is the time to give some dimensions. So again make a construction line, center line, because here we need to give some angle like this. So let's give the angle first. Select this line and this line. Now here, what's the angle? It's 3 mm. Here you see 3 degree, not 3 mm, 3 degree, 3 degree angle. So simply give a 3 degree. Now here you see. Now come here from this line to this line. The overall dimension is how much? It's 39, right? 39. So make this one 39. 39 from this corner to this corner. Now You have to select this one also. Select this line and make this one how much it needs. It's 25. From this line to this line, it's 25. So simply make this one uh, 25. Now here you see our drawing is done. Now come here. Here's also a fillet with radius 1. You can make the fillet after completing the part, or you can also make it in the drawing. So how? Go to in sketch section. There is a fillet, sketch fillet. In the sketch, may give a radius 1 and select this corner. Now here you see. Now make this one okay. Go to feature. This time again select reward boss base. Okay, and select this center line. Now here you see this yellow part shows that it's done. So and simply make this one okay. Now here you see this profile is done. So again come to the normal. Now here you see this is the complete part that we need. Now what we need to do? We just need to select a material. So go to appearance. This is the plastic part. So go to plastic. Go to high glossy and select this high glossy yellow high glossy plastic. Now here you see this is the final model that we have. This is the final part, right? This is the final thing that we have. No need to worry about this thing. Now what we need to do? What we need to everything is done. So this is the final model and this is the drawing. So today we'll learn how to make a model with the reference image or reference drawing. So thanks to my friend who have given me this drawing. uh, Let me check. Yeah, really thanks to Mariam who have given me this drawing, and today is her exam. Tomorrow is her exam, so best of luck, Mariam. Thanks for giving me this drawing, and this thing is only for you. So today we learned how to create this kind of a complex plastic parts and how to create curvature, how to create arcs, and how to make a plastic part hollow like this. So this is enough for today's video. I hope that you liked the video. So please subscribe the channel and also put your comment at what you want to see in the next video. Thanks for watching. Keep practicing and best of luck.